So what we have here, this is a piece from my Armada. These plastic pieces broke, and this piece here, so it fell off from the roof of the vehicle. So what we're gonna do, I got this plastic welding kit. Right, it's got all this plastic to weld on it. It's got a whole bunch of like metal pieces to put in between. So what we're gonna try to do, we're gonna try to weld these pieces here and a piece here in the front, so we can actually try to put this bad boy back in the Armada. Now the clips and stuff on the edges, these are broken to the point of no return. So I'm gonna hold it with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. Hopefully I can put this plastic on there and it's strong enough to hold it in place. So here we go. So let's open this bad boy up, see what we're working with. Instructions? We don't need them. Okay. Water deep. All right. All right, so this is the little metal wire. I'm gonna have to put a piece on there to make it a little bit stronger. Let's take out one little piece. It's not one little piece, it's one giant piece. Okay. All right, well, that's that. What's this? Aluminum repair tape. I don't know if I'll be using that one. Soldering iron itself. That we will use. Here's some plastic to weld on it. These are a whole bunch of different tips. Sandpaper, wire brush, and a little stand. Soldering iron. And more tape. More aluminum tape. Alright, put this off to the side. Let's go get this bad boy set up. I'm gonna use this one. And put this tip in here. Bam, just like that. Alrighty, let's get this bad boy heated. Okay, I'm gonna put this right here. Let me get an extension. All right, let's plug this bad boy in, see what happens. what I'm gonna do while it warms up, I'm gonna go ahead and sand it. I'm guessing you have to sand it so it has somewhere to grab onto, which is pretty simple. Where is my wire cutters? Alright, so I got 2 little pieces of this little wire mesh. I put it on the hole, so let's see if we could actually weld this thing in place. Oh, it works. Well, it actually stuck onto this plastic. I'm gonna show you guys. So the plastic actually grabbed the little mesh wire. It gets kind of welded into place. So I'm gonna try to put some plastic filler rod in it, and we'll see how it goes from there. Oh, I still have one piece here I have to do a weld on too. But I think that's gonna hold once we put the rest of the plastic on it. All right, so let's use this plastic filler rod and see how this works. open up the garage door because, man, them fumes are getting to me. But once it dries out, I mean, we'll see how strong it is. Hopefully it will work. I'll just do the next one, do this little piece in the front, and once we mount it, I will show you guys if it actually holds or not. We will see. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It actually dried, and it is just as hard as the regular plastic. This other blob piece here, and we're about to mount. Well, we're gonna give it about another 20 minutes to dry, and then we're gonna mount it on, see how good it holds. Alright, y'all, here it is. It's mounted. The back piece I still have to repair. That sucker broke as well, but the vehicle is 14 years old, so, but it's on there, and it looks ugly as shit once you open this up, but it's screwed on there, just like this spot here up in the front. You can see screw right in there. Looks ugly as shit, but that's always covered up, so it doesn't matter as long as this piece is still on there, and it works great.